You don't buy a Toyota Tacoma just to get from A to B. You buy it because of what lies beyond B. The 2020 Toyota Tacoma isn't just a midsize pickup. It's a symbol of capability, independence, and unshakable reliability. Whether you're crawling over rocks, towing your weekend toys, or just chasing the sunset down a long, open trail, the Tacoma is built for people who live outside the lines. By 2020, the Tacoma had already earned its reputation. It was known around the world, from Pacific surf towns to the high deserts of the Southwest, as the go-to truck for adventure. But Toyota didn't rest on that legacy. The 2020 model brought thoughtful upgrades while keeping the core DNA of what made the Tacoma a legend. Let's start with the design. Bold, muscular fenders, a high, proud stance, that hexagonal grille that seems to grin back at the trail. Whether you went for the TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Limited, or the rugged TRD Pro, the Tacoma always looked ready to throw down. For 2020, Toyota gave the front end a fresh look, with updated LED lighting and a redesigned grille, giving it a more aggressive and modern edge. Step inside and you'll notice one of the biggest changes. Tech finally caught up with toughness. The 2020 Tacoma received a much-needed infotainment upgrade, now with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa all standard. A new 8-inch touchscreen kept drivers connected, while higher trims added luxuries like leather seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and even a surround view camera. But let's be honest, the Tacoma isn't just about screens and creature comforts. It's about what it can do when the pavement ends. Under the hood, you had two options. A 2.7-liter four-cylinder for the practical driver, or a more powerful 3.5-liter V6, pushing 278 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed automatic or, for the purists, a proper manual transmission. Off-road? This truck was built for it. Especially in the TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro models, you got features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, locking rear differential, and high ground clearance. It wasn't just capable, it was confident, no matter what the trail threw at it. And then there's the ownership experience. Toyota's legendary durability means people drive these trucks for hundreds of thousands of miles. The 2020 Tacoma is no exception. It's a truck that outlasts trends, that shows up for work, and then still takes you out into the wild on the weekend. And when you do take it off the beaten path, it doesn't just perform, it thrives. What makes the 2020 Tacoma special isn't just the way it's built, it's the people who drive it. The climbers, campers, board riders, photographers, engineers, and everyday workers. It's not flashy, but it's authentic. Not oversized, but perfectly balanced between city maneuverability and off-road muscle. In a world of oversized trucks and marketing gimmicks, the Tacoma has always kept things honest. The 2020 model carried that spirit forward, blending real-world practicality with adventure-ready attitude. Because at the end of the day, the Toyota Tacoma isn't just a truck. It's a trusty companion, a trail partner, and sometimes, it's just the reason you go farther than you planned.